Fruity Factory where we have a blast. Chef Fruity's in the kitchen, teaching fruits that'll make you last. From apples to bananas, oranges to grapes, we'll learn the alphabet while having fun. No time for mistakes. Ooh, come on down to the Fruity Factory, where the magic of fruits comes alive. Taste the sweetness of nature, feel the color so bright. Chef Fruity and the crew gonna take you on a fruity ride.
Chef Fruity and the Fruit Crew are ready for today's adventure. Welcome, fruit enthusiasts, to another episode of Fruity Adventures. Today, we're diving into the delicious world of apples.
Apples are my favorite.
Mine too, especially apple juice.
That's the spirit. But did you know there's more to apples than just juice and pies? They're packed with vitamins and fiber, making them super good for our bodies. They also can be used in so many recipes. Apple Annie, it's so wonderful to see you. We're here to learn all about apples from the experts.
Welcome, dearies. I've been growing apples my whole life. Now, let's see. Did you know there are thousands of different types of apples? Each with its own special flavor and crunch. Indeed. Some are sweet, some are tart, some are best for baking, and some are best for eating right off the tree.
Wow, thousands?
Annie Apple shows the kids different varieties of apples, explaining their uses. She teaches them how to pick ripe apples and explains the importance of washing fruit before eating.
So, how do we know which apple is ready to pick?
A ripe apple will come off the tree easily with a gentle twist. And it should smell delicious.
What about green apples?
Green apples like Granny Smith's are tart and perfect for pies, tarts, and salads. They add a zingy flavor.
Back in Chef Fruity's kitchen, the team is ready to cook.
All right, team, let's turn these delicious apples into something amazing. Today, we're making apple cinnamon energy bites and apple smiles.
Apple cinnamon energy bites sound yummy.
An apple smile sounds so funny.
They're both super easy and healthy. For the energy bites, we'll need applesauce, rolled oats, cinnamon, and a touch of honey. And for the smiles, we will need apple slices, peanut butter or any nut butter you like, and mini marshmallows.
The kids follow Chef Fruity's instructions, laughing and having fun while making the recipes.
Chef Fruity and the Fruit Crew, they're on a mission. Whipping up apple magic in the kitchen. Apple cinnamon bars and apple salad galore.
These energy bites are so good. And they give me lots of energy.
My apple smile is so funny and yummy at the same time.
See? Healthy eating can be fun and delicious. Apples are versatile and can be part of breakfast, lunch, or snacks.
Chef Fruity highlights the importance of fruits in a balanced diet, emphasizing the vitamins and fiber that apples provide. Discusses the importance of making healthy choices.
And that's a wrap on our Apple Antics adventure. Remember, fruits like apples are your friends. They keep you healthy and strong.
Bye, fruit enthusiasts. Stay fruity.
Hey there everybody, this is Chef Shelley. Here are 2 fun facts about apples. Did you know apples float because they're 25% air? And guess what? There are over 7,500 kinds of apples in the world. Thanks for watching. Keep exploring fruits A to Z with Chef Fruity and the crew. Don't forget to subscribe and I'll see you in the next episode.